TGL is up 184.55%. People are hunting down or searching for low float stocks so that they can put them in line for a squeeze. We've seen what happened to SMX rather, so that's what we're looking at right now as it concerns TGL, up 199.5%. It has been halted like 8 times. It may be counted now. I think they did a reverse split, so ignore this figure you're looking at here. So there was a reverse split on the stock today. Yeah, let's see now what we have. 11 million shares have crossed the tape and counting. Volatility is increasing, not optionable. Yeah, let's see what we have for TGL. Okay, so the stock is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that it might hold the strength up till Wednesday the 10th. Then after that, it might contract. So it's just saying that it's going to be volatile with or rather volatile or consolidating with an accumulative bias, at least all the way towards the 12th of January. Okay, the 40-day moving average is expected to rise to act as a support, and they might be doing that based on this extrapolation. Volatility momentum is also expected to be volatile, like the stock itself. Yeah. Do we have any fresh news here? Okay, yeah, halts. I think now we now have up to 9 halts so far. Yeah, it now has a very, very tiny float, and they are hell bent on yeah, it's working already. So it's working already. It's not yeah, extrapolation on this 4-hour chart is saying that it might contract from Monday the 8th. So it's indicating that it might remain in place. This strength, this pump might remain in place up till the pre-market session on Monday the 8th. Yeah, projections, let's see what we have in terms of projections. 111.47. It's a downward projection. Yeah, we have 26.80 already. Yeah, we can have a look at its 1 minute chart. It might give us some indication, but there's ample room to the upside. It's a penny. It's the underlying trend is very bearish. So there's if you're looking for proper projections, it has a lot of them. Yeah, but okay, we don't have anything here on the 1 minute chart. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart. Yeah, nothing here. We have we're looking for we have 25.87. We already have 26.880. What are the odds that we're going to see something on the 5 minute chart? Yeah, see what we have here, 25.87 as well. Okay, I don't think we're going to see more. I don't think we're going to see more. Yeah. Strongly bullish. Let's just quickly see if we can see what's going on its how they're trading the stock right now. 20.46 is the 22.4. What is going on here? Okay, wow, highly illiquid. You can see that you buy at 22.4 and you sell at 20.46. Yeah, it is so illiquid, but they don't mind at all. 22.40. I think it's been stalled again. It's been halted again. 22.40. It's been halted again. Yeah, that's it. That's where the price is. 22.4. Did I not see higher prices up here? People, okay, well, if it's on the sales, okay, yeah, this is where 25.49. Okay, this could be yeah, people are trying to buy at a higher price. It could be short sellers. It could be short sellers. 25.49. Yeah, it has to be short sellers. We'll see 22.40. 22.40 coming down. 22.40. It surely has been halted. You can see nothing is changing, nothing is moving there, nothing here. Okay, so it's been halted. Yeah, Yeah, it's the pattern we've been noticing, you know. WHLR up 75.62%, intraday high in this session, $7.95 WHLR. Yeah, a low float as well, low float stock as well. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that it's showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend, obviously. So yeah, the extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain strong up till the 11th of December. Then after that, it's just going to be highly volatile, you know, going all the way towards the at least in the interim, at least towards the towards the end of this year. Okay, so projections and you can see the algos are saying are validating that as well. It's going to be a volatile stock for some time to come. Okay, let's see. Previous projections are saying 14.54, 18.70, 21.28. Yeah, showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Okay, let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it has had some contractions. So intraday high, yes, it has pulled back from 7.95, so that's what we're looking at right now. And it's saying that it's going to contract up till Monday, the close of Monday, and then after that, they might attempt to bounce again. The 40 period moving average is also rising to act as a support, or yeah, to contract the expansion. As a matter of fact, that's what it's actually doing. Yeah. Maybe after that we might see another bounce, but the way it is going now, people are in the mood of getting any low float stock pumped. You know, they want to get any low float stock, any low float stock pumped. You know, yeah, it has had a one trading halt. Yeah, one already. Yeah. On this 4-hour chart, we have what do we have? What in terms of projections? 4.11 is a downward projection. Yeah, it is ample. It has ample room to the upside. Ample room to the upside. Yeah. Let's see now whether we can find something from FinVs concerning WHL. Let's see WHLR. I've looked at it already. Yeah, let's see what we have. Wheeler Real Estate. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's earnings. Let's have a look down here. As you can see, very tiny float. Yeah. Very tiny float. And let's see the volume so far for the stock: 77 million, and the average volume is around 1.675 million. Volatility is very high, 2% to 1.42%. Okay, Sentinel stock is down 13.7%. Okay, 24 million shares have crossed the tape above average. Not exactly known for its volatility. Not exactly known for that. Let's see what we have for Sentinel. Intraday low $14.48. Let's see whether we can get something concerning Sentinel. Okay, reports the think revenue up 23% to 58.9 million dollars. Names Barry Paget interim CFO as Barbara Larson steps down. Okay, Let's see what we have here. Short interest 5.8. Okay, well, let's come back to think or swim. Okay, so we have that intraday low as 14.48. So it's just recovered slightly from those lows. Yeah. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that this weakness might remain in place up till Monday the 8th pre-market session, and after that it might attempt to bounce, but might face a resistance from its declining 40 period moving average. Okay, yeah, and the algo seems to be suggesting that, seems to be validating that, saying that momentum will continue to weaken, but might pick up from Tuesday the 4th. Yeah, that yeah, and the peak, right? Yeah, it might pick up and even go on to sustain it towards the 16th of December. Okay, yeah. This is the 4-hour chart. Here we have 17.06, 17.5, 17.78. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at its daily chart. On the daily chart, same thing as well. Okay, yeah, bounce is expected from Tuesday the 11th of December. Then it's expected to keep yeah, maintain the strength up, at least to maintain the bounce at least up till the 7th of January. But it's indicating that the 40 period moving average may pose a resistance. So the 40 period moving average is expected to continue declining to act as a contraction of any possible bounce. So the stock is expected to trade within the space, but there's, this is just an extrapolation, no guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, volatility, momentum is expected to just remain stable up till maybe when it might attempt to bounce from the middle of from the 18th or thereabout. Okay, projections are currently saying, let's see what we have, 16.87, but it has ample upper projections, 23.19, yeah, 24.33. Yeah, its underlying trend is severely bearish. Okay, yeah, we've already indicated these. Change of personnel in change of management personnel. Plans to invest in its platform infrastructure and customer support services while expecting a decrease in research and development expenses as a percentage of total revenue over time. Q3 loss narrowed to $60.3 million, but Q4 revenue forecasts of $271 million fell short of expectations. Shares dropped 6.6% to $15.89 amid concerns over outlook. Okay, SNOW up, or rather down 2.67%. I think this is the second straight session of losses for the stock. Intraday low 225.60. Okay, yeah, almost double its average volume in terms of shares have crossed the tape so far in this session. Okay, so the stock is showing some weakness within a longer term bullish trend. So lower prices expected to keep printing all the way towards the 16th of January. The 40-day moving average is also expected to keep declining to, contract any attempt, or rather hinder any attempt to bounce. Okay. Projections are saying $249 as things stand right now, but it has even higher projections, as high as 253, 249, 277, 292, 302. but right now it's lower prices, lower prices, lower prices, and the algo seems to be suggesting that as well. Nothing, no bounce at all. Yeah, no bounce at all. Okay, maybe with time they might reverse and change things and impress the markets. The company reported Q3 revenue of $1.21 billion and adjusted profit of $0.35 per share, surpassing estimates. However, shares dropped 11.3% due to weaker Q4 guidance. Okay, that's what's going on now with these snowflakes and sentinel. So see what you make of all of these two stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.